fake, head fake. Yan, good job.
Nung unang pasok dito sa Hype Street Ball, hindi ako ganun kagaling mag-left lay. Tsaka yung mga dribble ko hindi impressive. Kapag nadudulas-dulas, ngayon napapansin ko yung bawat session ko isa-isa. Nag-i-improve yung mga dribble ko, yung mga layoff ko sa left, yung jump shot ko, lahat, 3-point shooting ko. Kapag winarcard mo, hindi naman puro dito basketball, pati attitude tinuturo sa'yo ni Coach Tino. Minomotivate na yung kakayaan mo para ma-improve yung pagiging basketball player.
So, continuous lang yan. Continuous training, continuous practice. May mga times na ups and downs. Parang buhay lang yung ups and downs nawawala. Kunyari sa game, may mga hindi ka magawang moves, huwag kang mawala ng loob. Kasi sa trial and error. Next time, pag bumalik ka sa court, mag-put ka ng effort para magawa mo siya. Okay, B, swing B. Dalawa, swing B. Yan, close. Eyes front. Left hand, switch to left hand. Swing B, eyes front, eyes front. A little faster, a little faster. Swing B, between the legs, bend the back. Pak! Swing B, between the legs, bend the back. Eyes front. Pwede ka mag-head fake kung gusto mo. Sulitin mo. Yan, good job. Nice. 6. Last 2. Last 2. Last 1. Follow through, follow through. Good job. Tennis ball. Pag sinabi kong go, bitawan mo, tapos lay up. Front minsan. Yan, good job. Eyes front. Last one, go. Nice. Okay, stop muna. Double time, double time. Oh, left. Layup mo, kanan, layup mo, kanan. Yun, oh. Left. Between the legs, bend the back. Left. Nice. Send here, behind the back. Just left layup. Attack, sprint, sprint, go. Pop. Nice. Okay. So if I go right, harang to. Ganyan, yan. Yan, go. Down, down. Hands up. Right. Again, get pass, pass. Go. Right, right, right. Left. Good recover. Steal. Bounce it hard, bro. Bounce it hard. Over the top. Over the top. Pam! Then bounce it on the floor. Hindi dapat lalayo sa harap. 1, 2. Hindi ka sa harap minsan. Stop. Okay, last one. Antayin mo. Oh, last. Go. Other side. Okay. Go!